Now let us see how to create our own functions. For this, the syntax is, first you should have to write def and let us say example. This is our function. We are building our function, and colon, and inside it we can write our code. Let us write a simple one to illustrate, and let us write welcome to my function. So we have finished defining our function. So now example is our function. Now let us call it example. For calling the function, you should have to use the brackets and call it. And now if you press enter, welcome to my function. Let us create one more function like name it or something. You can create any number of functions, and let us now write the name is John. Now let us call it. For calling it, just write the function name and two brackets, press enter. The name is John. Let us write one more thing, name, and now we will be asking the user to enter the name and print it out. N is equal to input, enter the name, and after user enter the name, print N. Now let us call the function which we have created, name. See, enter the name. Let us say Williams. It will print out the value. So this is how we can create our own functions. So let us create a addition and subtraction function and call it in the shell. So let us write it in a file. Let us create a function called definition ADA addition. Let us say addition, and let us say n1 is equal to int input, enter number 1. We will ask the user to enter the number 1, number 2, and print it out. Int input, enter number 2, and now n3 is equal to n1 plus n2. Print n3. So we have successfully created a addition function. Now let us create one more function for subtraction. Let me copy this same, Control C, Control V. Here n1 minus n2. So we have successfully created two functions, addition and subtractions. Let us see how to call it in our program. Press F5, press enter. Now we can call like this. We can create any number of functions, and just we will be calling the functions in our program. Addition, enter the number 1, enter the number 2. Total is 928. Now let us call subtraction. Enter the number 1, 89, and 30. The answer is minus 2940. We can also pass the arguments that we will be seeing in the next section. Like this we can call division, multiplication, all the mathematical function we can create, or any other function, useful function, code of block with some logic. So this is how we create our user defined function. So in the next video we will be seeing how to pass the arguments inside the function. Hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.